With Gemini Business, you can create unlimited videos using Google's powerful Veo 3.1 AI.
Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create these kind of video from Google Veo 3.1 with unlimited access. So without time wasting, let's jump into the video. I'm not wasting your time. I will show you the state process through which you can generate unlimited videos. So this video is generated through this prompt, and this prompt is generated in ChatGPT. So first you need to type Gemini Business in your Google. After that you will get this link. Just click on that link, and now you need a business email. So you need to go temp mail. Just open it, and here your mail ID. So just copy and paste it here. After that continue with email, and you need to paste here the verification code. Just copy it and Control V and click on verify. After that you have to type your full name here. I'm just going with the code. After signing in, you will see the interface here. Just click I will do this later, and this is your dashboard through which you can generate your video. So I'm going to show you how you can generate. I'm just copying my prompt here, and go to the second option, click on it. After that click on generate a video, and just paste your prompt here and click on submit. After that it will generate your video according to your prompt, and this video is generating in Google Veo 3.1. So you can create unlimited accounts from here, and if you have a premium access, then you will have your mail ID for unlimited use. So you need to wait a little bit, and your video will be generated in a high quality. See, our video is going to generate, and here is our video.
With Gemini Business, you can create unlimited videos using Google's powerful Veo 3.1 AI.
You can see that the our video is full HD video. So this is how you can generate your video from Veo 3.1 in unlimited access. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.